Imagine typing just one sentence or an idea, and in a few minutes later, you have an entire cinematic video with scenes, camera movements, characters, voiceovers, or even sound effects. It sounds impossible until you see what I'm about to show you. AI video creation has changed completely, and this platform takes it to another level. Instead of spending hours writing prompts for every single scene, all you need is one idea. The AI does the planning, writes the scenes, generates the visuals, and turns everything into a complete video. In this video, I'll show you exactly how it works, how to use it, and a few settings that can dramatically improve the quality of your results. Let's jump right into it. Head over to ChatGPT to paste your prompt. As you can see, this is my prompt. Hit on send, and in a few seconds, ChatGPT generated this for me. You can see my character, the name, age, appearance, wardrobe, accessories, and personality. This is just to maintain character consistency throughout the video. Also, my story was broken into scenes. Each scene has a short type, visual description, character action, lighting and mood, environment and background, dialogue/voiceover. Then the last one is sound/effects. Next, go down below to copy what ChatGPT has generated. This prompt will be used to generate an image in form of a storyboard. So for image generation, go to Gemini. Type Gemini on your browser and select this first website. It brings you here. Click on the plus sign and select create image. Right inside this box where you see describe your image, paste the prompt that ChatGPT has generated. Go to this area and select 3.6 flash. Next, hit on send. So here is the result. It says here is the complete visual storyboard for the Book House cinematic DIY fantasy film. It also gave me a perfect description of each scene in this story. It gave me the description and the images as well. I went further to tell Gemini to create a storyboard with these images, and it converted all the images into a storyboard. Next, click on the image and select the download button to download this image. Head over to the animation part. For animation, we'll be using Google Flow. Head over to your Google, type Google Flow and select the first website, and it brings you to this interface. Sign up and select create with Google Flow. Click on new project and it brings you here. Click on this area, then select video, select frame, and then select your aspect ratio, 16:9 aspect ratio or 9:16. Select Omni Flash, then select your video duration. Mine is in 10 seconds. Also select how many times you want the image to be generated. If you select 1x, that means you want just one image at a time. Next, click on the start frame to import the image Gemini generated. Click on upload, and once you've uploaded the image, it's time to convert the storyboard into a video, and we'll be using the same prompt ChatGPT generated. So copy and paste the prompt here. Hit on send, then watch how this single image will be transformed into a story. If you have an idea that you want to create into a storyboard, then into a video, this is a free alternative that you can use. For the prompt that I used at the beginning of this video, I'll drop the link to the prompt in the description. And the video is ready. Take a look at it.
What if a home could be built entirely from stories? Finished. Every great home What if a home could be built entirely from stories? Finished.
Next, click on the video.
Every great home
Click on the More button. You can make use of any of these options here, but to download your video, simply scroll down to download, click on it. Now here are the various ways that you can download your video. I downloaded mine using the 720p. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a like and subscribe for more.
What if a home could be